parts of the Coachella Valley. That's like knee-deep mud right there. I cannot get over that. Look at that. Water and mud. And so on this Monday, as Hilary made her way up the coast of Southern California, taking a lot of residents there, especially in the Coachella Valley, by storm. You see there, people kind of just relaxing, chilling in the back of that pickup truck with an umbrella over it, waiting for help there. So that's quite stunning there. I've never seen anything like that. Okay, so what you're seeing right now is a rescue attempt right now of this resident there. I believe this is near Thousand Palms, could be Cathedral City, not entirely sure. Look how deep the water and the mud is, up to these rescuers and that resident's knees. They're putting people into the bulldozer pan. I don't even know the word for it, but that's where they are putting people that they are rescuing right there into that bulldozer. That is quite something. It seems like they are possibly innovating and improvising as they go house by house, rescuing people there. You see they just put a helmet on that person. I don't know how the bulldozer is going to get out. It looks stuck in mud as well. This all after Hilary brought so much rain that parts of the Coachella Valley are stuck in mud, quite literally there. Let's just keep watching. Okay, so we just wanted to let that breathe there, these aerial pictures. Oh, and look, you can see the bulldozer is moving. I thought it would have maybe a hard time there with people that have been rescued in front, in tow. Look at that. We've covered a lot of natural disasters here on Live Now from Fox. We've covered a lot of rescue attempts after those natural disasters. This is something I haven't seen before. Obviously in flooding, especially in the South, we've seen boats come and go and collect people. Never have I seen bulldozers coming to collect people who need rescuing. So it looks like about 4 people, maybe 5 people in there. You can see probably in these garbage bags in front of them, that's just the belongings they are traveling with them that they need until they can return to their homes that are stuck in mud, very deep mud, because of what Hilary has wrought there. So it's very compelling images right now out of Southern California. Sunny skies in places like Palm Springs, Cathedral City, Indio, Thousand Palms. If you're familiar with this area, you know this is the desert. You know in the summer, temperatures can get upwards of 120, 130 degrees. But this is a once in a generation, really once in a 2 or 3 or 4 generation storm. Southern California hasn't seen a tropical storm warning in decades, and there you can see residents and individuals getting rescued by emergency management officials in Thousand Palms. I believe this is in Thousand Palms. So SkyFOX overhead there. What incredible video of a street, just a residential neighborhood, inundated by water and mud. The cars stuck in these homeowners' driveways, but scary stuff as well. So we're